How do we get the most out of the individual content review activities in Quizlet? One of the activities available in Quizlet is Quizlet SPELL. And what Quizlet SPELL does is improves your students' ability to spell keywords or concepts in your subject. And the way it works is the student clicks on this little icon up here with their sound up.
Because of the crime and drunken behavior taking place in the town.
And they then have to spell what they hear. Notice that particular question was way too long, and there's a way we can remove questions with answers that are too long to spell, which I'll show you later. If I click on it again, hopefully it chooses a different one. Yes, it does.
Independence.
And this is suited, so we can leave this in the set. Okay, so if I click on that and you watch over here, it'll turn green and say correct.
Naval Officer William Hobson.
A little bit too long, but you could leave something like this in.
True.
Now again, a true or false answer in itself is not appropriate because it's not hard to spell, so I would be removing them. Wakefield. Now, just before I show you how to remove the inappropriate questions that have answers that are not suited to Quizlet SPELL, if the answer requires a macron for Te Reo Māori, you can just use these buttons and it will add it. And that's the easiest way because students may not have their keyboard set up for a Māori keyboard. Okay, so how do we actually remove those those questions that have answers that are too long and don't suit Quizlet SPELL? The answer is down here, bottom right. We click on here and we click on Combine. And down here we go Create Set. Click on Go. And what it does is it duplicates our set there, and then we're just free to delete what we don't want. So we want to give it a new name, so SPELL at the start of the name. And then all of these questions that have long answers, we might want to leave that in, James Cook, or multi-choice answers like this, just the C answer, inappropriate, not going to really test their spelling very well. This one's got brackets. We could just go do this and just leave the Māori version and leave it in. This is way too long, delete it. Just a letter, delete it. James Busby, fine, these are good. Okay, and then these ones are not so good because you can see the answer in the question, and so the student can literally just look at the question written down and spell it as they see it instead of just hearing it. So what we could do is we could delete the hint here like this and then just leave it more and delete the A, and then that's suited. Okay, so these are suited and so on and so on. Click on create, and that's going to create a new set for you. And then once that happens, you then are free to add it to a class or a folder. And as I've said prior to this, you should create folders and classes because it's easier to locate your sets both for you and your students. So there you have it, Quizlet SPELL, excellent way for students to practice spelling for key words and content in your subject.